How is the Welsh Government helping veterans to return to civilian life?
We have set out a range of services in our Armed Forces package of support, which clarifies our commitment to helping veterans settle back into communities across Wales.
You'll be aware that some armed forces personnel struggle with adjusting to life outside the forces, and some particularly struggle because of the traumatic events that they have witnessed. And this might explain why a 2014 survey by the British Legion found that working-age veterans are twice as likely to be unemployed as their equivalents in the UK general population. And more recent studies on the level of homelessness among UK veterans vary. But what we don't know is the proportion of veterans among the homeless population in Wales, because those figures don't exist. Cabinet Secretary, are you confident that local authorities are following the Army Covenant when it comes to veterans not being disadvantaged when it comes to housing? And will you also give an undertaking that your department will look into the issue of homelessness among veterans in Wales to see what the extent of the problem is and to consider what measures you can put in place to address those specific problems?
I agree with the member for the Rhondda that there are a number of issues which potentially may face veterans as they leave the armed forces and return to civilian life. The member may be aware that we are developing an employment pathway to deal with some of those issues, and we are working with local authorities to deal with issues around homelessness as well. I am absolutely confident that local authorities are doing all in their power to deliver on the commitments that they have made under the Covenant, and we are certainly working with local government to ensure that that is delivered across the whole country. I'm aware, and I agree with the point she makes about information. I've corresponded with the UK Minister in this field before Christmas, and we are looking at how we develop a set of matrix to understand both the extent of veterans who may be homeless, but also to understand the pattern, if you like, of life following life in the armed forces for veterans across Wales. And that will inform not only issues on how we deal with homelessness and employment, but a whole range of service provision for veterans.